In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take and find a screenshot on Steam. If you've ever wanted a quick way to capture a moment in your game and then easily track it down later, this walkthrough will make it simple and reliable. First, make sure you launch your game through Steam and confirm the Steam overlay is enabled. You can check this in Steam's settings under the in-game section. The overlay is what allows Steam's screenshot hotkey and tools to work inside your game. With that turned on, start the game from your Steam library so everything hooks in properly. While you're playing, the fastest way to capture the screen is to press F12. That's the default screenshot hotkey in Steam, and it grabs the current frame instantly. You'll usually see a small confirmation pop up in your game letting you know the screenshot was saved. If you're on a laptop or a compact keyboard, you may need to hold the Fn key with F12, depending on how your function keys are set up. If nothing happens, it's typically because the overlay isn't enabled, the game wasn't launched through Steam, or the key is being intercepted by another app. You can also use Steam's overlay for more control. Press Shift+Tab to open the overlay while you're in the game, then click the camera icon. From here, you get a clear view of your screenshot tools, and you can trigger a capture without leaving the game screen. This can be helpful if you prefer clicking rather than using a hotkey, or if you just want to confirm the overlay is active before you take your shot. When you're ready to find your screenshots, head back to the Steam desktop app. Open the View menu at the top, then click Recording Screenshots. This is where Steam collects the media you've captured, grouped by game. You'll see your recent screenshots, and you can browse through them in one place without digging through folders. It's a convenient way to review what you captured and keep everything organized. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.